We got a new air fryer. Let's check it out. Let's try to open it. Check this out. Plastic off. Ooh, this gray, like black color. It's pretty cool again. Pretty cool. Let's pull it out. Ooh. What do we got in here? It's a rack. It's a rack. Let's stick it in there. So we're gonna cook this. Hey, let's have one more. Three. Just finished washing everything. Let's stick the fish in and see what happens. Just stuck one in. Ooh. There we go. That sounds good. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's ready. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, looks good. Let's see. It's good. Excuse me. I'm a good cook. This is one of those movies I love to hit on VHS, and I watch it over and over and over again. This movie was simple, but it was funny. Carrot Top is the man.
Incredible last night.
Edison has two loves in his life.
Good morning.
One love is surf.
It's a movie about imagination. This movie blew my mind.
Look out for the rocks!
The other is inventing.
A Slurpee cup with a heater on it, what? This way, no brain freeze. Yeah! It's a blow dryer for ball guys!
The trouble is, no one is by.
We still got plenty more stuff. Ow!
The rent is due.
I want my money now!
And there's only one way to get it.
A job! Like a job? I'm not cut out for these entry-level positions.
But he's about to meet someone.
Hey, what are those? Training boards!
You got a good head on your shoulder. Weird hair, but a good head.
Who's going to change his life by dropping dead.
I leave my entire stock holdings to my new friend.
$23 million? Oh, that's a lot of snaffles!
Now, McMillan Industries has a new leader.
No stickies! Here they are!
And he's having a ball.
Does anyone? Get back in there and change! You're no fun!
What the hell is going on?
Very good day!
Settling into the busy executive life, I see.
To play with the big boys.
Okay, I'm gonna have to check with my advisor on that.
Can you not watch this movie and not laugh? This is a funny.
He's taking control.
As brand new chairman of the board, I'm now making every Wednesday afternoon Luau Wednesday!
Outsmarting the competition.
I call it the club foot.
And adding a whole new spark to his life. American business is about to go into the red. Carrot Top is
Certifiably insane.
If you get a chance, check out this movie. It will change your life.
chairman of the board.
Look out! Don't worry, I got an emergency brake!
Is he gonna be okay?
Don't worry, I'm an expert at CPR.
No! Yeah!